Hey Tanner, it's Julia. Just wanted to show you a couple things about how to make a Google slide. I just learned how to do this myself recently. So, if you're in your Gmail, you go over to what people call the G Suite or the Google Suite, has all your apps. So, it's all these dots here. So, you click on the dots and then you go down to slides. It's a yellow button and you click it. Now, there's different options for what you can make. I always use a blank slide personally. So click on the blank slide. And then for a while, I couldn't figure out how to get this to leave. So let me show you. So what you do is you go to layout and then you go down to blank. Now, obviously there's other options, but I would say for now, just use the blank slide. So then I think maybe your mom said you were supposed to type your name. So when you want to type in a slide, at first I couldn't figure that out and I was just trying to type in it and I was getting frustrated. So what you want to do is go over here to the T, like Tanner, that's in this box. And so if you hover over it, it says text box. So you press it. And then once it's yellow like that, then you can just go and there's a plus and you just press it like that. And then usually it puts up this ginormous text box, which usually is way too long. So you can adjust it by pulling it like that. And then you can just type in it. So let's see, I could type Tanner is awesome! Exclamation point. So then if you're supposed to change the font, you select what you typed and then you can go here to fonts. When I'm doing this with students, I let them choose which one they want to use, but if there's a specific one, you can select it, obviously. I already have Happy Monkey downloaded because I'm a teacher and it's a cute font, but and I think your mom downloaded it, but some fonts won't be there if they're specific fonts. So anyway, click on that. And then let's say you want to change the size. Well, you can press the plus to go up or the minus to go down. So I want to make it bigger. Now, if I want to change the color, I go over here to this A that says text color. Right next to it, this like kind of paintbrushy thing, highlighter, is where you can highlight the background. So if you're wanting to do the color of the letters, you go to text color. So let's say I want to do blue. And then if I want to make it bold, I can do that. I could make it italic. I could underline it. So if this is your assignment, then that is what you would do. And then if you want to move a box, you have to position your cursor so that this black and white kind of thing appears, and then you pull it and you can put it where you want. Now, let's say we want to insert an image. So you go over here next to the text box and you press insert image. Now, you can upload it from the computer or you can search the web. You can also take a picture of yourself. So let's say you wanted to put a picture of yourself with the caption, Tanner is awesome. You could press the camera. But I think your teacher wanted you to search the web. So you press search the web. And then over here, Google Images pops up and you can put in what you want. So let's say that you want a picture of a tiger. I don't know, I just picked that. So now all these cool pictures come up and you're like, ooh, which one do I want? Ooh, this one's cool. So I'm going to press that one. And then it says one selected and then I insert it. And it takes a second. So here it is. And then I think your teacher wanted you to center it. So centering it with a picture, now I could be wrong, but with a picture, you can just move it like I showed you with this black and white thing that appears. So here's my cursor. If I put my cursor on the edge here, the black and white sort of like diamond-y square thing appears and I just move it and I center it. For text, if you highlight it, you can go here with a line and you can put it to one side or you can put it in the middle of the box. So if you want to center it, you want to put it right here in the center. So if you kind of hover for a second, it tells you like this makes your text go left. This makes it go in the center. So if your teacher wants you to put something in the middle, you could do that. To the right, or I don't know what justify means. Interesting. I guess I'll learn that another time. So anyway, if you want to know anything else, you can always ask me, but I think that's what your mom said you were supposed to do is type your name, maybe not Tanner's Awesome, but you are, so I typed that. So, and then change the font and the color and center it and upload a picture and center it. So hopefully that's helpful. But yeah, I just learned how to do this. So you're going to be way ahead of the game learning how to do it in 4th grade. Good luck with day 2 tomorrow. You guys are awesome. Love you guys. Bye.